संतोष, आप जिस तरह से रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल आपने भी उठाया है. व्हाट अबाउट द ऑफिसर्स, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स? दिस वाज गोइंग ऑन फॉर सो मेनी years. What is now being done to ensure that this mass conversion racket that is unfolding is immediately tackled with, and how?
Definitely, it is a very alarming and for all of us that from last 15 years, what the investigating agencies claimed that from last 15 years, Baba was running a racket of illegal conversion merely 32 kilometers away from the Indo-Nepal border. That is the Balrampur Utrala area, and from that Utrala area he was running a conversion syndicate, and in this syndicate he converted more than 3,000 to 4,000 persons. Those were converted by, whether by any threatening or any cause. But the administration, it is the police or the district administration, no one worried about this. What is going on in Utrala? How this Baba, who was few years back was selling rings and several stones on the streets of Balrampur, now become a millionaire. He is having a mansion in the Utrala area. He is having a crores of valuable properties in Balrampur, Utrala, in Mumbai, in Pune. Many more properties have each and every person know in Utrala. But no administration steps has been taken by any of the officer in last few years. Before UPSTF has started the investigation and ATS lodged an FIR, and the investigators arrested. First arresting was of Changur Baba's son Mehboob and his close aide Naveen Rohra alias Jamaluddin. And this second arresting was of Jamaluddin alias Changur Baba and his close aide Neetu Nasreen, who converted his name and
Yes.
Nasreen. So till now, 4 persons till now arrested. But
and this doesn't, as Santosh you're telling us, look like a localized ashram or some conversion racket or issue. This looks like a full-fledged international involvement as well, when we're talking about crores of rupees coming in